Today's topic for discussion is general characters of bryophytes. Bryophytes are the plant which are considered between algae and pteridophytes. Mostly they are land inhabiting plants. They survive on the land. Only few forms of bryophytes are aquatic in nature. Bryophytes are found in humid and sandy places. They are very common in moist mountain forest and tropical and subtropical regions of the world. They are cosmopolitan in distribution. That means they occur throughout the world. They are also found in the region of tundras. Bryophytes are autotrophic plant because they prepare their own food material, and few species are saprophytic in nature and grown upon organic matter or rotted wood. Let us see the structure of bryophytic plants. Bryophytes are small plants. The main body is gametophyte, gamete producing plants, which is a conspicuous. Long-lived phase of the life cycle is gametophytic phase compared with sporophytic generation. The gametophyte is an independent plant. In some plants, it consists of thallus-like body, example Marchantia and Rixia. In this case, it is not differentiated into root, stem and leaf. Plant body is not differentiated into root, stem and leaf. In other plants, the body consists of stem and leaves, in example Funaria. True root system is absent in bryophyte, but hair-like structures arise from the lower part of the plant, which are called rhizoids. The rhizoids helps in the attachment of the plant body to the soil as well as in the absorption of the water. In bryophytes, vascular tissue, that is xylem and phloem, are absent, very important. And the life cycle of bryophytes, the life cycle shows heteromorphic alternation of generation. The life cycle is completed into two phases, hence it is called heteromorphic life cycle. Let us see the gametophytic stage of bryophytes. It is the first and dominant phase of life cycle. In this phase, male and female reproductive organs are produced. The male gametes or reproductive organ is known as antheridia and female gamete is known as archegonia. The antheridia are club-shaped. Each antheridium is surrounded by outer jacket layer. Inside antheridium, antherozoid mother cells are there, and these antherozoid mother cells are also known as androcytes. They divide and redivide many times to form motile biflagellate antherozoids. Let us see the female gamete in bryophytes. Each archegonium is flask-shaped. Female gamete is known as archegonia. Archegonium consists of stalk, venter and neck. Okay. And let us see the fertilization in bryophytes. The motile spermatozoids move towards the archegonium in presence of water. Water is required for fertilization in bryophytes. They enter the archegonium through its open mouth, and one spermatozoid fuse with the egg cell as a result a diploid zygote is formed. Let us see how is the sporophytic stage of bryophytic plants. The zygote develops into sporophyte. The venter wall enlarges to form the protective layer around the embryo, which is called calyptra. The sporophyte grows upon gametophyte. It depends partially or completely for the food upon the tissue of the gametophyte. This type of sporophytic stage is there. And in the bryophytic plant, they reproduce vegetatively by different methods. Let us see the vegetative reproduction which takes place in bryophytic plant. Generally, by the death of older plants, two or more than two pieces of the a parental plant takes place, and all these 2 to 3 pieces independently grow into a new plant. This type of vegetative reproduction occurs in Rixia, Marchantia, Anthoceras. These are the different names of the bryophytic plant. And by formation of gymme, vegetative reproduction takes place. Gymme, these are the small cup-like structures which are produced on the upper surface of the thallus in Marchantia and on the plant body of the Phaneroia also. And the vegetative reproduction in bryophyte also takes place by formation of tubers. Tubers are formed in Rixia and Anthoceras. And in some plants like Funaria, protonema are also formed, which are the vegetatively propagating organ. These are all the general characters of bryophytic plants.